There's Lucid on new highs. Barely new highs. I think it's time to start bidding for some Lucid. If you're around here, around there, stop around here. $43.23. Stop below 80 cents. See if we can get some. These arrive. Pfizer, Intel. There's Intel coming back in. Interesting. And this Lucid is ripping. I don't know if I'm going to get it. Here we are back at 80 cents on Intel. At 80 drops. Looks like they're ready to go this time. Low day is 73 cents. We'll keep an eye on this because this could still work out pretty well. It does have to go break low a day though for a re-entry. See if I can get any of this Lucid down in the 20s. Rivian moving up, looking strong. Pfizer, Roblox looking pretty strong. AMD, Apple, TSRI, Pfizer, Intel, Rivian continuing to make highs. Baba, Nvidia, Roblox continuing to go. Tesla, MU. Don't know if I'm going to get those 20s here in this Lucid. Baba on highs, Rivian on highs, Intel not breaking down. Let's see if I can get any of this Lucid down here in the 20s. That was about as close as it came, was the 40s. Low was 44, and now she's on highs, so she's going. Big volume there. On 44 offer. So 43.80s looks like the next spot, the low below 40 cents. I think that's going to be the last one. Could not get any fills on Lucid. AMD, Apple, TSRI, Pfizer, Intel. Intel's still chopping around. Rivian on new highs, Lucid new highs. So now, gonna be up at 43.80 here. Just put in a new one. The stops. Actually, the stop should be like 25, not 39. Rivian looking strong too. If I can't get this Lucid on this one, I'm gonna have to stop chasing it up. If she makes new highs, I'll have to stop chasing her up too. AMD trying. Day 135. Apple trying. TSRI just fading. Let's see if this Lucid comes in and can fill me here in the low 80s, mid 80s. She's super strong today. Intel back above the hole. Rivian. AMD on highs. Nvidia about to be on highs. 276.40. I do have those alerts set. Everything ripping. Spycom's dead. I can take it off. Darna. Singa. AMD 135 pre-market high. It's almost there. Lucid having a bit of trouble here. Coming in. I might get those 80s here. Let's see how far back in they take it. Roblox on highs. Lucid coming to test 44. 44 bid holds. Another test of 44. 44 bid holds again. Drops for a split second and then bids up. Back at 44. 44 probably will get tested a little bit more here. There it gets tested. They're buying it immediately under the hole. It didn't even get down to the 80s. Right on that cusp of potentially getting filled. There's AMD on pre-market highs. AMD breaking out. Hoping to get an excellent fill here on Lucid and then a quick spike away. Right now it doesn't look like that's going to happen. Got the 85s. It spit down there very quickly and then spiked up. So long 300 Lucid at 85 cents, stops at 25 cents. Looking for a new high a day. Want to see it moving away from these prices and gaining a like 25-cent bid very quickly here and moving back to highs. Don't like the fact that it's dropping out right now. That's not at all what I want to see. Need to see Lucid above 44 soon here. She needs to rebid 44 and get back up and gain 20s and 30s very quickly. She needs to get up quick. AMD was collided with pre-market highs and then dropped out. Apple, Nvidia. We came up to test 44s here. Here, and then, there we go. Can we gain a 44 bid? We can. Can we hold a 44 bid? Not yet. Gonna take one off there. Don't like that it held there. Would like to see it bid up very quickly. The teens don't like this 15 holding the offer here. Don't like that at all. Want to see him clear out. Don't like that at all. Let's see it happen one more time. I'm lightening up. I don't like that. Don't like that 15 holding. That's better. Now this 26 is holding. 29. There we go. Let's see how hungry they are. Not as hungry as before. Taking some off here as we spike to new highs. I took off a little more than I wanted. Like to see this blast through this high a day here at 69 cents. Something just doesn't feel right. It feels too heavy. Just feels so heavy. Look at the selling happening up here. Having trouble. 74, 75, and they sell 75s. Look at that. 75 just refreshing, got out of the way. It just cannot get up. 80 cents, okay, but it went what, a couple of cents? This is not typical Lucid. Yeah, this is very heavy feeling. I'm about ready to cut this thing. I don't like how heavy this thing is. I'm cutting it. I'm out. I'm out. Okay. I bailed out of that Lucid, and I have to go to work, so I'm going to call it there. I think I have a small green day going now. Intel ended up reversing and coming back up. AMD's on highs. Yeah, would have been nice to have caught that full size up to the 80s. That would have been a really big green day, but need to review that and do better.